opens up an El Toro Loco. Wow. We opened up an El Toro Loco, kids. First, we gotta get him out. Why is he upside down, dude? Okay, here we go. Look at El Toro Loco. He looks nice. He's all white, got red horns, he got red tires and rims, and a green chassis, blah, 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 blah. Cool. I love him. It's like the Monster Mutt Dalmatian. It's like the Monster Mutt Dalmatian. See you kids tomorrow on 15th day. Let's see what will happen next.